The first section is compressor. This is where the intake occurs in the turbine. The air is then compressed, which increases the pressure. The increase in pressure helps in creating a better air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. And for the second section, the combustion chamber. This is where the fuel is mixed with the air, where the air-fuel mixture is combusted in the combustion chamber. The combustion provides energy to these molecules, which will be helpful in creating energy in the turbine section. The third section, power turbine. The ignited fuel mixture will be directed to the turbine section. Here, there are a series of blades which are connected to a common shaft. The blades are arranged in such an angle that the ignited air causes them to move, which rotates the shaft. This shaft is then connected to a generator to produce electricity.